Take a ride in the 2021 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.